Hi, good evening all. 2020 about to complete. 2020 is a very nice year, we can write 2020. And 2020 we learn lot new things. Pandemic which was not in our life before. So the pandemic, from the beginning of 2020 we all start to discuss pandemic. And this pandemic taught a lot to us. The first thing, we cannot take anything for granted. In spite of unpredictabilities, we have to adapt in every situation. And 2020, technology played a major role. If you are looking to healthcare service much easier and convenient, this is what the technology contributed. During this pandemic, technology played a major role. Before we used to travel a lot. Now with the new technology, we can sit in our office and we can communicate, we can conclude all our discussion. So, WellCare and Alivia, we are technology driven institution. We are also working hard to provide the best out of best in Qatar. Our team worked hard and they made a beautiful app to make our life much more easier. With all your permission, let me launch this Alivia and WellCare app. I'm sure this will be a great support for Qatar community, care and wellness at your fingertips. Thank you for your time. Let's remember there are still many good things that life has to offer.
Very good evening to you all. First of all, I would like to extend my sincere thanks and gratitude to the customers and well-wishers of Alivia Medical Center for being with us since the day of inception. Today, I am delighted to invite you all for the most gracious event of Alivia Medical Center mobile app launch program. Alivia vision is to rediscover and propagate health and wellness by utilizing the world-class therapeutic modalities with clinical excellence and to cultivate a positive healthcare at reach. To bring wellness and reach at your fingertips, Alivia Medical Center proudly launching our mobile applications today for the customer use. Launching a mobile application for the healthcare industry may not be a new innovative idea, but in Alivia, we don't do different things, we always do things differently. Yes, our mobile application has unique features such as you can download lab and radiological investigations on real-time basis whenever the report is ready from your home, and also you can book your online appointment for your beloved doctors, which will reduce your OPD waiting time. The application is available in bilingual, Arabic and English for the customer benefits. You can also view our insurance affiliations, department details, doctor's profile, home care options and online pharmacy options at our Alivia mobile app. On behalf of Alivia Medical Center Management, I invite you all to download our mobile app today itself in Google Play Stores and App Stores and enjoy the unlimited benefits. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank you very much for joining with us in the proud moment of WellCare Pharmacy and Alivia Medical Center. WellCare Pharmacy, starting with a single outlet in the year 2000, with the valuable support of customers like you, we have massively grown to 70 outlets across Qatar. And we are completing 20 years of excellence in healthcare. Now, WellCare is an online as well. Our online app is a state of art and only MOPH approved pharmacy app here in Qatar, offering you more than 6,000 products and operating 24/7. As we operate 24 hours, you can have an option for live chat with our pharmacist and get all your pharmacy needs completed. Our user-friendly app will help you to upload your prescription and the insurance claim so that no more waiting time for insurance medication in the pharmacy. All you have to do is upload it, get your medication delivered to your doorsteps. Also, our app will help you to set customizable reminders to refill your medication as well as the dosage. Now, if you are a Purple member, you can earn points in each of your purchase, which can be redeemed in any of our pharmacies. Also, you can have a special benefits from Alivia Medical Center as well. Our app will definitely make your life comfortable and easy. Join with us by downloading WellCare Pharmacy and Alivia Medical Center app to enjoy the benefits of care and wellness at your fingertips. Thank you.
Hello there, hope you guys are doing well. I was facing some issue regarding my wrist, so I wanted to order some medicine. So I found this WellCare Pharmacy. They have very instant delivery service and their delivery service is quite very transparent, and I'm really impressed with their customer support as well. Also, whenever you purchase from them, they give you some reward points. So I just wanted to say thanks to WellCare Pharmacy and wish them a very best of luck for their future. Take care.
Hi, I'm here to thank WellCare for Online Pharmacy for their greater services. As I'm their regular customer and I do order online most of the time from their website, like whenever I need medicine or any cosmetics, I do order online from their website and they deliver at my doorstep within 4 to 5 hours hardly. And the best part is they also provide quick shipment. Whenever I need something urgent, they also provide that quick shipment. And there is a great initiative from WellCare Pharmacy that they also add points in your list whenever you do shopping. So I would just like to thank WellCare Pharmacy for being supportive and helpful in this pandemic situation. WellCare Pharmacy, I just want to wish you a best of luck for your future business. Thank you for being so supportive in this situation.
السلام عليكم. أنا الأخ علي مقيم في منطقة المشاف إزدان. أنا والعائلة على طول عندنا زيارات هنا المستشفى أليفيا بالمشاف، ومؤخرا اكتشفت أنه في تطبيق اللي هو أليفيا ميديكال، اللي هو تطبيق. هذا التطبيق نزلته في الموبايل عن طريق البلاي ستور، والتطبيق فادني في حجز المواعيد واتباع التقارير الطبية تاع الأولاد والزوجة والأولاد وأنا شخصيا. وأنصح إخواني اللي يزوروا المستشفى هذا والعيادة أنهم ينزلوا التطبيق، لأنه فيه فائدة كبيرة لهم، خاصة لأنه يستعمل عن طريق البيت مباشرة في البيت، تستعمل من غير أنك تجي للعيادة. تطبيق قلنا زي ما قلت يساعد في حجز المواعيد واطلاع على التقارير الطبية وتاع المخابر، ومفيد ويعمل حتى أنك قادر تواصل مباشرة مع الدكتور المتابع للحالة تاعك، ونشكره. هذه
Hi everyone, welcome to Alivia Medical Center. This is Selena with you and I'm grateful that you could join us today. The most exciting moment is here at last and now it's time for a big reveal. Are you worried about your health and in search for a doctor's appointment without lining up in queue? And imagine if you're getting a complete healthcare for your family in your fingertips, how it will be. Yes, we now have a solution. Alivia Medical Center, Qatar's leading premium medical center, is introducing a unified mobile application, bringing all medical services under one umbrella to fulfill your healthcare needs. Now let me take you through our key features. One of our key features is its bilingual support. You can choose your preferred language, English or Arabic. From the doctor's icon, you can choose and book your preferred doctor appointment as per your convenience. Our unique option for online consultation will allow you to connect with our doctors at the comfort of your home and payment in just a few clicks so that we can confirm your online appointments in advance. Our application allows you to upload or scan your QID and insurance card details to ease your appointment registration at our center. One of its highlighted features is the easy access to your investigation reports. Therefore, you can view and download all your investigation reports, and also you have a provision to upload and store all your previous medical reports at your convenience. Another unique customized feature enables you to manage your dependents' medical needs. You have an option to enroll your family members, and easily you can book appointments and view investigation reports of your family member from a single account. Let our clinical experts come to you. Are you worried that you can't visit any of our facilities due to health concerns? With the Alivia app, requesting a doctor's visit to your home is now easy. You can make a home visit request for a doctor or a physiotherapist by choosing our option, Doctor at Home and Physio at Home. Alivia app also allows you to connect with a one-stop portal for all your medicine needs. Connect with Wellcare Pharmacy app and have a licensed pharmacist deliver your medicines at your doorstep.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Deepthi with you, and I am here to welcome you all to a day of innovation and exciting possibilities as we are launching a revolutionary solution from Wellcare Pharmacies. Qatar's first registered online pharmacy is now providing an access to a wide range of products and unique services at your fingertips.
Now you must be thinking how an entire pharmacy could bring their products online and how an app will help you fulfill your pharmacy needs. Wellcare app provides you access to more than 6,000 products and will guide you in selecting the right medicine to be delivered at your doorsteps by a registered pharmacist within 60 minutes through our fast track option. We also have developed a unique artificial intelligence based search assistant that will help you in searching for products based on your needs. Or if you would rather browse through our product range, click on our customized options to choose by common conditions based on skin type, vitamins, categories and brands. Now, how do we help out patients? If you have a prescription, you can upload your prescription and provide your contact details. Or you can directly search for the medicine in our app. Select Add to Cart and upload your prescription to our app. Our team of licensed pharmacists will review your documents and process your orders.
If you have insurance, with just a click from your phone, you can upload insurance documents and purchase your products for your needs. We also provide you customized assistance in setting reminders for your dosage and refills. You can set dosage or refill reminders by directly clicking My Reminder and set your reminders as per your routine and convenience.
At any point, if you would like to chat with a registered pharmacist, you can simply click the WhatsApp icon floating on the right corner of the screen and you will be directed to our official WhatsApp chat window. If you don't find the product you are searching for, you can always swipe right and click on Request Product and give us the details of the product you need. Payments are now hassle-free. We provide you with variety of payment options including online payment, payment at delivery location through card or cash, and even payment through insurance.
Details of all your orders are available in your account, and you can specifically track all your orders through the exclusive option and get live status updates through the app and SMS. Join our loyalty program and be a Purpleian by registering in our Purple Rewards program and earn Purple points for every purchases, wherein you may redeem points, be eligible for special offers and receive medicine and latest trends in healthcare. Hope you enjoyed our session, and I would surely like to assist you as you try out our services through WellCare online pharmacy app.
Our user-friendly Alivia app
And WellCare app,
is free to download and easy to use
it's available in App Store.
and Google Play. Download it now.